Hello and welcome to Codician. Today I am going to show you a very magical tool which is called as email provider remover. So what this tool is going to do is it is going to remove all the email domain from bulk or maybe a list of emails. These emails, once these emails are removed, these names can be used for marketing purpose or any other purpose. So sometimes you have to search what all email domains are there and you can easily remove them on a click. So here is a sample of those emails. Let me just copy paste this again, and if I click on remove domain, it is going to give me the clean text just before the email. So I hope this automation will help you save time for similar kind of videos. Like you can subscribe to my channel. You can download this automation from the link in description, and this is unlocked. So many of people complain that this automation is locked. I want to see the code, I want to learn the code, how it is made, please tell us. So this one is actually unlocked. Go and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.